Ever struggled to keep your phone secure while biking? Imagine a phone mount that fits any smartphone from 4.5 to 6, holds tight through every bump, and installs in seconds. Whether you're cruising on your bike, riding a motorbike, or pushing a stroller, this universal bike phone mount promises a hassle-free, sturdy grip that keeps your device exactly where it belongs, right in front of you. I've tried plenty of phone holders, but most either slip, break, or take forever to set up. This one caught my eye because of its clever silicone belt design. It wraps snugly around any handlebar size, from a sleek road bike to a chunky stroller bar. Installation is a breeze, just wrap, push through the mount, and secure. No tools, no fuss. Plus, the premium silicone absorbs shocks, so your phone stays safe even on rough trails or bumpy city streets. The 8 adjustable loops make it incredibly versatile, fitting everything from motorcycles to shopping carts. It's the kind of simple, reliable gear you didn't know you needed until you have it. If you're ready to keep your phone safe and your hands free, this bike phone mount is worth a look. It's durable, affordable, and backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee along with a 12-month worry-free warranty and responsive 24-hour customer service. Whether you're a casual rider or a daily commuter, this mount adapts to your lifestyle and protects your phone every step of the way. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your ride and never worry about your phone slipping again.